to officially gas. Let's get it.
Hey yo, but before we get into this video, public service announcement, and it is a madness. Guys, for the next 500 people that join the Gas Gang, we've slashed the monthly membership by half, guys. £5.49 for the next 500 people that sign up. That's less than a Big Mac meal. Less than a Big Mac meal, you're getting some of the maddest discounts across the best companies in the UK, the best automotive companies in the UK, plus you're also getting entered for the fortnightly giveaways, entered for the dinners and the lunches we're doing. That's free access to the Discord server. Guys, the behind the scenes, the weekly live stream, you're getting everything pretty much. It is a madness, guys. Do not miss out on this one. Trust me, check the links in the description right now and go get it. £5.49, you're in. So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with an absolutely legendary video. Just look behind me. We have got a 1,000 brake horsepower, single turbo, fully built, 6-speed Toyota Supra Aero Top. Guys, this is gonna be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. Cole, welcome back to the channel, brother.
Thanks for having me back.
Mate, what, third time now?
Third video, yeah.
Third video, bro. Obviously, we've actually had this car on for a feature. It was
Yeah.
like 3 years ago now, bro.
3 years ago for that, and then a couple of months ago for the
OG
battle,
battles, which absolutely went viral.
Yeah.
The video, two legends stepping up. But first things first, obviously, bro, because it was so crazy, that OG battle. Like, we didn't think it would go so viral. But obviously, on that day, you didn't come out on top, and there was upset Supra fans.
There
bro.
there was.
What are we saying, man?
I mean, that day, that surface didn't help this car at all. So I had to run boost by gear, which means I only actually got full power in fourth gear. And by that time, the race was pretty much over. So yeah, I never expected to win the 0 to 60s. I was actually quite happy with the 0 to 60 time I did, but it was still on that surface, which just didn't do this car any favours.
For two cars like that to line up is a big thing.
That was the only reason I did it.
That was what
it had to happen, didn't it?
Exactly, for the culture, man. So big respect. And I also don't think people gave this car enough respect. But today, people are going to learn. So with that said, bro, we're talking, this car is capable of about 1,000 brake horsepower, right?
Yeah. So it runs 797 wheel horsepower on pump fuel. On ethanol E85, it ran 850 at the wheels on the first run, and then I told Romain from Racecal to push it a bit more, and it was pulling. It was looking like it was going to do about 15-20 horsepower more, so 860, 870, and then a boost pipe blew off. So we had to stop, but that's where the map is now. So we're 850 plus at the wheels. And we've got the right fuel in it today. So.
Okay, all right. So we're in for a treat. Tell us, like, obviously your setup has completely changed from the first feature.
Yeah.
So we're not even going to kind of compare it. I just want to know your build in its entirety. What's been done to this to get it to that power?
It's now got I've got a brand new 2JZ GTE block, brand spanking new. I didn't find an old one or use my old one. And then that's been fully forged, and obviously there's different degrees of forging you can do. This has sort of been done with everything, so it's got Manly turbo tough pistons with 625 plus bolts and rods. It's got a CNC ported head with dual springs and retainers, so I can get more revs, which is what I wanted. So it used to rev to 7.2, now it revs to 8.2.
Wicked. And
that's really where the magic happens. That last 1,000 is crazy in that band. It's got a 5-inch intercooler. It's got 2 fuel pumps now with flex fuel, ID 1300 injectors as well. Precision 6870 Gen 2 turbo.
Nice.
Which I got a small housing on it so that it tried to bring the power band to the left on the graft.
Okay.
To try and get less lag,
Got ya.
because they are laggy.
Yeah.
So it made the peak power, and we just revved it till the turbo sort of stopped making more power, and that was why it's 8.2. It's got 269 cams in it now. It used to have 264s, so it's a bit lumpier on idle, but again, it just helps that turbo spool up, and the other difference is a 4-inch straight through exhaust. It used to be 3-inch. Everything under that bonnet is new, other than the manifold and some of the fancy looking bits. That's it.
What do you have to do to the gearbox with one
Nothing.
of these? No.
It's got a stage 3 plus spec clutch in it, which is 2 stages over the old clutch. It's a bit tricky. You'll find out, but it's not that bad. But the gearbox itself is stock.
LSD or anything?
Yeah, stock LSD, the Supra limited slip diff.
Oh, they come with us.
Some do, some don't. This one's got the big diff that Toyota did, so the one that can take all the power. Yeah, the tyres are still R888Rs, massive ones.
Yeah, bro. This is the thing. Like, you know, like you obviously you've had this car for a long time. You know it inside and out, and you're probably used to the look of it. But I mean, honestly, like, you have to see this car in real life to appreciate it, guys. Like, it is stunning.
Thank you.
What is your brake and wheel setup?
So it's got CCW Classics, which are 18s, 10-inch wide at the front, 11.5-inch wide at the rear, and the brakes are K-Sports all around. In the last video, we didn't have the backs on. We've now got the backs on.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, it stops.
Wicked. And the colour of this car is something special too, right?
Bayside blue.
Bayside blue. What are we saying, Nissan people?
This is the colour the other car should have been in the battle.
Exactly. It's crazy, right? But it suits it so well.
It works, doesn't it?
It just works. It just works. Cool. Then coming into the interior, I see the Toucan display. This is obviously Cyvex control.
Cyvex ECU. The only difference inside the car since last time is this button here. I'll show you what that does when we're out.
Okay.
The interior is fully retrimmed with blue stitching and perforated leather and all the things I wanted. So it just made it look more modern.
Yep.
Dashboard's carbon, and I've got a Momo steering wheel. But again, I just wanted it to stay usable and stock, and not become a race car, because I wanted to drive it as much as I could.
Mate, it looks tidy. It's not showing its age. What kind of age car is this?
93.
No.
Yeah,
mate,
so
this don't.
Nearly as old as me.
That is insane. That is insane, mate. Like, props to you. Like, the way you've kept this car.
Thank you.
Is insane. Cool. Would you say that's pretty much it in a nutshell then?
That's probably most of it. Yeah.
Wicked.
Yeah.
All right. Shall we go and see what 1,000 brake horsepower does on the roads?
Let's go.
Let's do it, brother. Alright guys, so we are out in this crazy 1,000 brake horsepower Supra. It's actually quite nostalgic because we're back out in it.
Back out.
Because we've been out in it before, but never at this power. And what is actually quite funny is...
I've never driven it on this power.
He's never driven it like this. So that's on the race fuel map, basically.
E85,
on the E85. So guys, we're both going to learn today. But with the Cyvex, the traction control and all this power, obviously boost by gear, it does, you're saying it lays the power down pretty...
You have to roll into it, but yeah, it can put it down. It depends on a few things.
I've seen you sideways in this before.
We're right on the edge of traction, but
that's
can.
part of the fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
First quarter. Right, third gear. That is fast.
It's fast, yeah.
That is fast, oh boy. The boost comes in so aggressive, bro.
I know. I had to roll into it, and that was gentle at first.
Oi, that guy this is no joke. Bro, this is so quick.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was expecting. It's 1,000 brake horsepower Supra, isn't it?
It really gets going up top.
Yeah. So does it normally not feel as quick as that?
I can tell the difference. Yeah.
That was strong.
Yeah.
What the heck? I heard the wheels spinning up there.
Yeah.
Bro, this car is so aggressive. This car, it sounds so angry. It's so quick, and the brakes are good, bro. When you touch
Brakes
bro,
work, don't they?
wow,
Need good brakes.
mate. The way this pulls, like it's got a long power band too.
Yeah, well, that's the revs. That's the revs that all of above 7 is a different animal to how it was. It's right on the edge.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like anything could happen.
Yeah, like I gotta be careful. If you just floor it from low revs and it boosts so
It's just-
aggressively, it will just spin straight up. So
Oh, do you have the traction control on, or is
It's
it
off.
like, it's off?
it's off. Yeah,
We're in the hands of the gods.
That's it.
Okay, he's pressing the red button. Oh my god. Rolling launch. Bro, that is mad.
Let's try 4th gear. Roll it.
4th gear rolling launch. Bro, this car is rapid. You're right, it's right at the top of the rev range where
Yeah.
it's just singing, bro.
4th gear is just brutal, isn't it?
Mate, it feels on the edge. You
Yeah.
are so right, it feels right on the edge.
That's what I wanted before. It felt quite safe at the 700.
I remember, I was
Yeah.
really surprised because I thought
Yeah.
700 would be putting up a fight, but I remember
Yeah.
how stable it felt.
Yeah, now it's
on the edge.
It takes some driving now.
Woo, okay, wow. Yeah, guys, this is serious. This is serious. Okay, this is serious, bro.
We're gonna have fun now.
Yeah, guys, no joke. Honestly, it's the quickest Supra I've bloody been in.
Yeah, me too.
This car is aggressive. It's really intimidating. It is very intimidating.
Yeah.
But God, man, when it is on boost, it's like the way it sounds, the way it sings, and yeah, just gassed. I'm fanboy. I'm fanboy right now.
Good.
Everyone knows I'm a bit of an RB guy when it comes to it,
Yeah.
but the 2JZ is doing it for me
2J
right now.
works.
Woo! You know, in the Supra, you sit proper low and you sit
Yeah.
back. Like I
Yeah.
feel like I'm like laid back.
Yeah.
It's a supercar feel.
Yeah,
in
it is.
You know, as opposed to the GTRs, which we compare them to.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like a supercar for me inside. Whereas this does. This is more RX-7 vibes.
Okay.
Like, you know, that kind
I suppose the wraparound dash and
yeah,
stuff. Yeah.
it kind of, it's kind of like driver-centric, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
It's nothing for me.
Yeah. We'll get onto a bit more of a straight.
Yeah.
Feel its power. It's intimidating, so let me get properly straight. Right, so we're going to roll into it. 3rd gear.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's quick. That is quick. The noise of it, bro. It's like, that's incredible. I've got to get that 3rd gear again. Just the sound. Right, roll onto it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, this is weapon.
It's so much faster from this
Weapon.
seat as well.
Well, it feels so fast, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is the thing also, what I'm getting about this car is like, even like, I haven't done it yet, but when I was in the passenger seat and you were pulling from like 4th and 5th,
Yeah.
it pulls so strongly
Yeah.
from low RPM
Yeah.
too. It's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, it comes in really low.
this is mad, bro. This is a special car.
Thank you.
1,000 brake horsepower Supra, this is no joke. All right, guys, so we are going to try some rolling launch. Pray for us. So we drop it into 3rd gear.
That's
About
it, about
4,000
there.
RPM.
Hold the button, floor it.
Floor it. Go. This is crazy. The power band is so long.
I know, it just keeps going.
So long. It's wicked because you're in boost or on boost for so long.
Yeah.
It's
Can't get over
insane.
it.
When you think it's going to stop revving,
Yeah.
it just keeps going.
Yeah.
I love the fact you can really use all of the gear gear and it's exciting throughout the gear too. That rolling launch is just epic
it's
too.
Brilliant, isn't it?
I felt it spin up at the top end of third too.
Yeah.
That's when you know you're in a serious car. When it's spinning up at the top end of third, when your tyres are like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like, guys, this car is it's a beast. But it's done so well. It doesn't seem like it's sweating. Do you know what I mean? And now we're cruising. We're cruising. We're talking.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's like it's comfortable.
Yeah. I tried to not compromise on anything. Obviously, you can never have a car with this sort of horsepower without it being a bit.
Something's got.
Awkward, but
of course.
you can just cruise around in it if you want. It sounds great. It is comfortable.
It's well rounded. It's a full build.
Yeah.
It's a full build.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are ending the video here. We've just pulled back up from an immense epic drive in a 1000 brake horsepower Supra.
Enjoy that?
Bro, I absolutely loved it. Third time you've been on the channel now.
Yeah.
And in my personal opinion, this was the most exciting for me. I've enjoyed all the others.
Yeah.
But it's 1000 brake horsepower, rear wheel drive, manual, and it's a Supra, bro. Like, you know what I mean? It's everything us petrol heads crave.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? You're on the edge when you're on it, like, you know, but also it's got the ability to just chill and cruise.
Yeah.
It does it all
it
well.
Can do it. But it is so rewarding. You just got to respect the car.
That's the word, is respect.
Yeah.
Because, you know, if we tried to be silly, booting it off corners, this, that, the other, we could quite easily be in a bush.
Yeah.
Like, you know, so yeah, with power comes hopefully respect, like, you know. But bro, you've absolutely smashed it. Who's built and tuned this?
So Darren at Magnum Performance built the car. Remain at Racecal mapped the ECU on the Cyvex software.
Sick. Well, shout out to them. Shout out to them.
They've done a good job.
They've done an absolutely good, great job. We love a Cyvex too, down here at Officially Gassed. And guys, before we do go, if you want to know a little bit about how I insure my cars and how a lot of my friends get their cars insured, and if you're looking for high power and bespoke car insurance, performance car insurance, high value car insurance, we now work with A-Plan. We've set up a nice landing page to bring you guys amazing deals when it comes to insurance, so check the links in the description. But for now, guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Once again, brother, you are the man. Thank you for coming again, and guys, we'll catch you on the next one.